$140. That's how much money these companies just deposited into my account. Walmart, Verizon, Lowe's, Realty Income, Stag Industrial. I didn't work for this money. I didn't trade for it. I didn't hustle for it. I just owned the stocks and they paid me. This is Tony, and you're watching Tony Loves Investing. Today, I'm showing you something real, something tangible. My dividend portfolio, my $100,000 portfolio, just paid me $140 so far in 2026. And I want to break down exactly where this money came from, which companies paid me. Now, before we dive in, let me be clear about something. I'm not a financial expert. I'm not a professional investor. I'm just a regular guy with a regular 9 to 5 job who decided to start investing. And I'm documenting my journey so you can learn alongside me. If you're new to dividend investing, or if you've been curious about how passive income actually works, I'm going to show you real numbers from real companies that are paying me just for owning their stock. So let's talk about this $140. Only a portion of my $100,000 stock portfolio contributed to that payment. I have shares in some companies that don't pay dividends. Now, I know what you're thinking. 140 is not a lot of money. It's not life-changing. But here's what makes it special. I didn't do anything to earn it. I'm tired of trading my time for money. With dividend investing, you do the work once, you research the company, you buy the shares, and then those shares pay you over and over and over again. I bought shares in Walmart, in Verizon, Lowe's, Realty Income. They pay me monthly. Stag Industrial and Altria Group. They pay me too. And I'm not doing anything. I'm just holding the stock. This is what passive income actually looks like. It's not glamorous. It's not exciting. It's just money showing up in your account. So let me break down and actually show you where this $140 came from. I own shares in several dividend-paying companies and ETFs, but the ones that have paid me so far this year are Walmart, Altria Group, Stag Industrial, Realty Income, Verizon, and Lowe's. I might have missed a few more companies that also paid me, but you get the point. They all contributed to my dividend payment. Now, Realty Income is one of my favorites. They call themselves the monthly dividend company. Most stocks pay quarterly. Realty Income, they pay every single month. It's like getting a mini paycheck just for owning the stock. They invest in commercial real estate and they pass the rental income to shareholders monthly, consistently. All of the companies are reliable. Every quarter, like clockwork, they pay their shareholders. These 6 and a few more stocks have paid me $140 so far, and we're barely into 2026. I usually like to calculate my dividend income quarterly, but I was just curious about the amount. $140 isn't going to change my life. Right now, my portfolio is generating small amounts, but every dividend I receive, I reinvest. I buy more shares. Those shares generate more dividends. I reinvest those, and the cycle continues. It's compound growth, and over time, that $140 becomes $500, then $1,000, then $2,000, and eventually it becomes enough to supplement my income. My portfolio is projected to generate over $2,000 this year so far. I posted a video of me explaining it in an older video. You should check it out. My goal is to retire, at least partially, on dividend income. I have a 401k through my job, but I don't want to rely only on that. I want multiple income streams. I want options. I want freedom. And dividend investing is one of the tools I'm using to get there. I have a regular job. I'm not sitting at a computer all day trading stocks. Honestly, day trading is too time consuming for me. I'm not watching charts. I'm not stressing about the market. I invest consistently. I hold quality companies and I let them pay me. That's it. That's my strategy. There is no secret. If you're just starting out, You don't need 1,000. You can start with $50, $100, whatever you can afford. Pick one dividend-paying stock or ETF. I actually prefer an ETF for beginners. Then do a little research. Find a company that's been paying dividends for years. Buy one share and watch what happens. Then do it again. Buy another share and another. Build your position over time. Be patient, be consistent, and let the dividends compound. I'm not an expert. I'm just documenting my journey, showing you what's working for me, and hopefully inspiring you to start your own journey. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. I want to hear from you. This is Tony, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, every share is a step closer to financial freedom.